Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to tell you how you can update your name server, how you can purchase a new hosting account. In my previous video, you can see how we can purchase a domain from any registrar. So in this video, I am going to tell you how you can update your name server. For that, you need a hosting account. So I am going on new tab. I am going to purchase hosting from bdigitalhostserver.com. Now you can go on store section. Just go on shared hosting, and there is a one plan here right now. Now click on order now. Here you can purchase domain from here, but in my case I have already a domain, so I will use my existing domain. It says wdspayment.click. So I'm going to copy it. Remember, you need to just provide wds payment. Click is the extension you need to provide. Extension is here. Now use. Now continue. In my case, I have a promo code here, so I'm just going to apply it. As you can see, you get 100% discount, and I have to provide my, so I am just going to quick fill it. Everything is correct. Now I'm going to generate a password. I'm going to choose my payment method. So in my case, I am using Razorpay because I am from India. Complete order. We need to wait until they are processing our order. You will also receive a mail when your order is confirmed. Order is confirmed. Now we will go in client area. Here you can see a service section. Just click on it. Here is our hosting account. Just go on to login into cPanel option, but you can check here is downside. We have all information here. Just click on login to cPanel. Now you are logged in a cPanel account. Where you can see every details here. Now you need a name server. So you will get name server on your mail. So I'm just going to log in my mail section for it. I will receive the mail for this package also. So I'm just clicking on a new tab. I'm going to log in my mail. Actually, I just purchased from another mail, so I'm just going to log in on that mail. Here it is. Sometimes you don't get mail in your inbox section, so please check your spam. You can see here is I don't get it in my primary section, so I'm just going to check it in my spam folder. Here is the spam folder. You can see there already have a new account information here. Just go down. You can see here all login details. Here's my name server NS7. Now just go back to your domain panel section. Click on manage. And to find domain name server section. You can got on domain page. Just click on custom DNS. Provide your first DNS domain. Now second NS7 NS8 is my DNS name server. So I just updated. Successfully you updated your domain for hosting account. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it will help you.